The members of the Joint Action Committee of Commercial Vehicles observed sit-in demonstration at Jayao to protest the unreasonable hike in the prices of petrol and diesel in the state. Speaking to the media, Marbod Khar said today's protest was to demand reduction of prices of fuel. He said today's protest is not only for the goods of commercial vehicles but also for the good of all the people in the state. He also said that his organization will also continue their sit-in demonstration at Ukyang Nangba statue near Civil Hospital in Shillong.
They don't think about the rural people, okay? And for their travel, for their distance in their rural area, going to market, going to hospital, going to schools, and we want the government to think about also the people from the rural area. I think you have heard the story of Robin Hood. It's like Robin Hood steal from the rich and give to the poor. But here it is opposite. Like the state government steal from the poor and please and give to the rich. So again, we would like to urge the government to solve the grievances of the common man. I will say not this agitation. This issue is not by the Meghalaya Joint Action Committee of Commercial Vehicle, but it is the issue of the common man, the issue of the poor people of the state of Meghalaya. All the common man and all the common people and all the poor people that we will go forward. If the government is still adamant about this, then from our side also we will go forward. And we have decided that tomorrow at 1 o'clock there will be a sit-in demonstration, a peaceful sit-in demonstration at Kyang Nongba station near Civil Hospital.
If it takes some month also, will the...
Yeah. We will go for it. No hesitation about that.